Yes.
It's date night.
It's date night.
And we are dressed up and ready to go because we are going to the first night, the opening night and opening party for the Santa Fe Film Festival.
Yes, very cool.
We think we are so hip and cool.
Yes.
But it's on Guadalupe Street, and so we're excited because they're showing The Longest, Dumbest Road, which is, I don't really know what it is. I don't really know what to expect.
But it's a documentary, right?
No, it's not a documentary.
Oh, it's not?
No, this is just a regular film.
Okay.
But, so anyway, I'm hoping we run into really famous people. I mean, other than us.
Welcome to the 2018 Santa Fe Independent Film Festival.
And yeah, I think, you know, when you set out to do something radical and something that hasn't been done before, you know, you're not thinking, oh, this is how you do this, or this is the school you go to for this. And the arts are a little more ephemeral, a little more abstract. And you're going to be able to see some of the greatest pictures every year before you would have had a chance to see them otherwise here at the Santa Fe Independent Film Festival. Thank you, guys.
Get this set up. So what we're gonna do is we'll get you all set up here. Pop this.
So which one are you doing?
So she is doing Melting Ice. The series is called This Is Climate Change. It's definitely a bit of a reality check. All right, that's in there. So I'll just go ahead and show you before you put them on because they're ready to go. You can adjust it if you need. Right over your head.
So
Super fashionable.
What's your name?
My name is Blake.
Blake.
Okay, and I'm seeing...
You're seeing the Wieland's owl.
So, the Santa Fe Film Festival. How do we say that?
Yeah.
So first, we're going to talk about it while we are walking to get milk.
And to get lunch and to get some Wi-Fi access.
So, we saw the first night, opening night, which was kind of cool. They had like an official party. And we saw The Long Dumb Road.
Yes.
Which was a comedy, a sort of kind of comedy, a dark comedy, maybe
Dark
you'd
comedy,
say.
yeah.
Anyway, well done, funny. I'm not sure it would, you know, it's an art film. Good to see a virtual reality set of movies, or 4 movies, about climate change.
Yeah. And there was, actually we both watched the same 2. One of them was about melting ice and the glaciers disappearing. And what was...
Or glaciers.
glaciers.
And then the third night we went to something that was really unique. It's called This Changes Everything. And it was based on Gina Davis's gender equity project that takes a look at finding hard data to look at the misogyny that's been going on for a long, long time in the film industry. It was really neat. But the really cool part was that we had never experienced, which I guess is part of a artsy kind of film festival thing, we had never experienced meeting the director afterwards.
Yeah, question and answer session. Yeah.
Then last night, what did we see last night?
We saw Good Girls Get High last night, which was actually hilarious. It was a very good movie.
It really was.
It was funny.
I
Actually,
hope it gets wide release.
that wasn't last night.
It was the night
the night before. Yeah. But I could see that doing really well in wide release.
It was. It starred some folks, some unknowns or some rather unknowns, and then some folks from Community, which was a TV sitcom that we found was hysterical. It was very much like Parks and Rec.
Yeah.
But we laughed from like the minute the movie started until it ended.
So finally, it was Meow Wolf. Meow Wolf is a thing in Santa Fe. It's basically an experience which we've not had yet. We thought we'd see the movie first. The movie was basically a documentary about its origin, where it came from, and it was actually really good. It gave us great insight. Now we know when we go see this thing what it is. And it was the struggle that artists don't want any structure, but to actually make this happen, you need structure. So there was a conflict all through it.
Well, I guess it comes back to like, is art for the artist or is it for others to enjoy?
Yeah.
So where are we?
We're in Santa Fe.
We are at the Cowgirls Restaurant and Tequila Bar. And it is so cool. They have a live band. And Keith Russell is about to order.
I'm going to order some chorizo something. Sounds great.
He was supposed to say a flight of tequila, but he missed his line. Do it again, do it again.
We're going to order a flight of tequila. Watch out.
New American Oak for 10 months.
So we did silver, which was aged for less than 3 months, right?
And then we did gold.
Riposta, which was 3 to how many years?
Año. 1 year. This is Año.
Año, which is more than
2
a year.
years, right.
2 years.
Wash your hands, both of you.
Yeah, okay.
It was a great restaurant. I liked it.
Yeah. Right, Xena? And now we're tired and we want to go to bed. Xena's tired because she was hiking today. Right?
Yes, we went hiking in the hills.
Hiking in the hills. Right, can you say Empty Nest Nomads out? Can you do the little symbol? Can you do the symbol? What do you think? Don't.
EmptyNestNomads out.
Turn it off. So that's it. That was our week.
Yes.
And
So far.
it's about, well, that's what'll be on this video. All right, that's it for us. Empty Nest Nomads out.